it now. I said I don't want to see this, but this is Biafra land, and the school belongs to Biafra people, and the people going to the school are Biafrans. This is no more the flag we make use of. We have our flag. Where is the flag of Biafra? This one we need them.
After removing it, you replace it with Biafra flag.
Yeah, let me have it this way. The Biafra flag bow to the mount.
Go back where you were. It's okay.
Yeah, this is what we make use of. This is Biafra flag. And we are in Biafra land in Anambra. So we need our flag anywhere that is in Biafra land. So it has been replaced with the Biafra flag. That's what we need. Thank you.
You must go and listen to Simon Ekpa, who is doing a very fantastic job. Very great job that Simon Ekpa is doing. Very, very, absolutely fantastic job that he's doing. You must listen to him and share his videos accordingly. Very, very important. He is bringing a new dimension to this very awareness that we are making, and you must listen to him. Very, very important.
Oh yes, dear friends, we don't come back again. Make we just do this quick one. I know say my own be say anytime I get the chance I dey do the video, even if it means to sit down for 12 hours, I will do. As long as we get the time, we will do the needful. So you are welcome back. It's a quick one. We are going to be doing this program with Emmanuel Remigius as they expose the beginning of the end of the criminals, even the one where they call Imbinite. Their end is here. Mazi, in the studio, you are welcome. So, BIAFRANS, I greet every one of you anywhere you are. You are welcome to this program.
Thank you.
So, Mazi, I beg you, just take the microphone before we move.
All right. Good afternoon, Biafra. I greet everyone who has come to this studio, come online with us today. And what we are going to do here is going to be another touching line, for what has transpired within this current affair that we are facing on now. So from me here, I will say good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where you're watching. And from me here, it's a Battle Cry TV. And God bless you. Over to you, Mazi.
All right, my brother, thank you. And BIAFRANS, we must say thank you. And the Emmanuel Remigius, thank you for coming as well. We are using your video today as you expose them east, west, south, north. And the BIAFRANS, I want you to remember that today again, we still have our Biafra government in exile joint broadcast. We did do them anyhow, everywhere, anywhere. If you get any chance, do something for Biafra. The contribution is still going on for the palliatives. The link is there in the social media. Grab it, donate at least 10 euro. No? Yes, at least 10 euro, $10, I mean to say. At least if you know if you give anything, you will feel cash, squeeze out $10. Try and do it. Now God you did do them for, no be man you did do them for, and the God will bless you. So try and do something for your land. Try and do something for your people. I beg you. So we must continue, people. Let us go on and listen to what Emmanuel Remigius is saying today. Battle Cry, our queen, they greet you. Glory Ogu, I greet you, my queen.
Really? Oh.
Feeling too fine.
All right. Hello, Biafra Battle Cry and Mazi. Oh, my dear sister, good afternoon. God bless you wherever you are watching us from. It's been a long time we see you on our show. Or is it my fault that I don't look on the chatting section to know whether you are there or not? But anyway, the other time, I think 2 weeks ago, I sent you a message on a tweet. I don't know whether you had it. Just ordinary private message of, there was a program we are watching together. So you make a comment there. I screenshot and post it to Twitter inbox, but I don't know whether you received it. Thank you anyway. You're welcome.
We must continue. So let us listen to my Gloria. Be strong for us, eh? We need you.
Yes,
You're a soldier. You are a gallant soldier. You are a warrior. Yes. So my people, let us go on and listen to this our brother because if they give them to them now, woto. We move.
My name again still my religious for the sake of this year. If you are watching me, share to many platforms and don't forget to follow me. Hit the following button. Follow this platform so that anytime I'm live, you will be among the first to get the notification. You are the first person to comment on today's program. Good morning from here. Angel Chioma Wada, the second person to comment on today's program. Good morning, good morning. Follow me on this particular platform, Emmanuel Religious TV. Emmanuel Religious TV. Don't forget to share my programs.
And I'm begging everybody, try and follow this, our brother, Emmanuel O Religious. Go to Facebook, type Emmanuel O Religious TV. You will see, and I think I will find him. I will get his link and the best here so that all of you will go and follow him. Listen to him. Yes, listen to him. He get them for a mouth. He talk them for a mouth. A mouth with the sharp past my own. I must tell you the truth. So let us listen to who get the thing they bring out. We are hungry, and whoever have the food, we go to eat them. We know the new face. He's a warrior. I tell you the truth. He's a warrior.
If you subscribe to my YouTube channel through TVView, and don't forget to support me by giving me super chats. Thank you. This morning, there are some certain issues I want to bring to your notice. Igbo is currently growing, and it doesn't start. Igbo is currently growing. By those who call your Igbo and your parents, even more than I'm going to be faster than you can, more than I'm going to be know that person is hiding something. Now, talk of it go away. Your barrister, your father have open confession. He said, as at the time that Mazen Namdekano was kidnapped, that IPOB now aligned with the Nigerian government to fish out criminals. IPOB aligned with the Nigerian government. You know, I said it previously, but my IPOB, POS are working with the Nigerian government. Some people said I am lying. Some people said I am a fake seer. Some people, there is no evidence that I have not got from saying the truth. Now that the barrister have confessed that they aligned with the Nigerian government. Previously, Mr. Sani Dokubo, who came out to say that they are working with the protests. And guess what? As at the time, promise land I see you, please share. As at the time that Asari said that, they kept mute. They did not say anything until people started backlashing them. That was when they gave president statement. And I came out and said, this president is just a tonight president. I see you. A part of my family. They openly welcome me at any time. As at the time that Mazen Namdekano was kidnapped,
Again, amazing.
and are working with the Nigerian criminals. Hey, ndị be anyị arụ mere. Arụ mere nụ. Ezigbo arụ mere. Things and evil is happening in our land. Things and evil. Ojogo, I see you. Things and evil is currently happening in our land. Ejiofor, IPOB openly welcomed you as a lawyer. Now, he said, as at the time that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped, that IPOB now aligned with the Nigerian government to fish out criminals. IPOB aligned with the Nigerian government. You know, I said it previously that IPOB DOS are working with the Nigerian government. Some people said I am lying. Some people said I am a fake seer. Some people, there is no name that I have not gotten from saying the truth. Now that the barrister has confessed that they align with the Nigerian government. Previously, it was Asari Dokuba who came out to say that they are working with the DOS. And guess what? As at the time that Asari said that, Promised Land, I see you, please share. As at the time that Asari said that, they kept mute. They did not say anything until people started backlashing them. That was when they gave press statement and insulting Asari. And I came out, I said, this press statement is just a connived press statement. I see you. Thank you, Province Land. The media are part of my family. They openly welcome me at any time. As at the time that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped, Ejiofor is confessing to you people that they have been working with the Nigerian government. But when Asari said it, the press statement that Asari is a nobody, via Eastern Security is operating, pursuing terrorists, and all of this to divert your attention. Asari is a dirty pig. But you work with Asari. Now that your barrister have confessed the same thing, that the DOS collaborated with the Nigerian government. Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor said it. It is your own barrister defending you people. He said that you people openly welcome the Nigerian government and are working with the Nigerian government to fish out criminals. Hey!
Ọ dị egwu.
Arụ mere.
Ọ dị egwu.
Ezigbo arụ mere. Things and evil is happening in our land. Things and evil. Ojogo, I see you. Things and evil is currently happening in our land. Ejiofor, IPOB openly welcomed you as a lawyer. Now, I want to say something. Ejiofor, from your own confession, it seems that it's not now that you started collaborating with the Nigerian government. You remember when we met at Anam, at Odanike's place, Young men came, every man who they break. You came with a DSS agent. A fine young man that is looking like you, a DSS agent. He introduced himself to us as a DSS. And I was bothered about a DSS. What is DSS doing to the point of coming to this type of place? And what you people said then to cover everything up is that these are the men that Ohamadike used to extract information from Nigerian government. Ejiofor, if I am lying, tell me to my face that I am lying. Where you took oath, I equally took oath there. And you know the implication. So when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was brought to Nigeria, all your children of calm down, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, he will show them madness. When I am coming to Nigeria, I will come with her. So your game, happiness show, playing, calm down, calm down, is because of your confession that you have collaborated with the Nigerian government to face out criminals.
Our national anthem.
So the Biafra people are now the criminals. Ejiofor,
National anthem.
I want to draw your attention to what is happening in the north. In Benue State, part of the Middle Belt. In Benue State, the Benue State is not Middle Belt and it's not North. Benue State is Biafra territory. But as they instituted it, I want to draw your attention to what Fulani is doing. Over 1,000 people were killed previously. And recently, over 500 people were killed in the north by Fulani military. Have you seen that type of mass killing in Biafra land? The people killing are the Fulani herdsmen.
Yes.
What you see in Biafra land are the revolts of the Biafra people. Revolting against the evil going on in our land. Ejiofor. Can you remember what happened at Odanike's place? When a young man revolted against you, I never knew that it was a spirit of God that possessed him. When you were addressing us, he told you to shut up, which warranted punishment on that young man. And we told him, why must you attack Barrister? He said, who is Barrister? Can he face what he is facing? You remember? More is coming from Biafra people. Now that you have taken clear road of betraying your own people, sabotaging your own people, that you are collaborating with the Nigerian security agent, IPOB. Hey! Arrowmen, collaborating with the Nigerian security agents. Now, I want to draw you people's attention. Do you know the reason why they have decided to withdraw Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from public view? It is simply because they want to use Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to lie at every given opportunity. Now, I want to point out another lies that this man have told. This man, a few days ago, came out to say that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu orders the arrest of Simon Ekpa. Now, what he is saying, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu orders the arrest of Simon Ekpa, is a pure lie, and I will tell you why. They are using Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to lie. They are using Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They withdrew him from public view to be able to silence IPOB. Now, do you remember what the reaction of Mazi Paul Achebe called man? Mazi Paul Achebe, what we are saying that since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't want to recognize the DOS, let him stay in DSS. But Ejiofor said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu orders the arrest of Simon. But in Mazi Paul Achebe said, since Mazi Nnamdi houses in Izombe was burned to ashes. Uli was attacked. Many houses were burned to ashes. Ihiala was attacked. Many houses were burned to ashes. In Anambra, what are they calling this? Anam, Agulai was attacked. Many houses were burned to ashes. Now link that to the confession of Ejiofor. On the radio program that he confessed that IPOB have not the people when you note IPOB that he's addressing is the criminals who claim to be IPOB members. That IPOB have no hand in what is happening. That IPOB are collaborating with the Nigerian security agencies. So if you say as a barrister that a freedom fighting organization who ought not to be part of the government are now collaborating with the government, it means that they are one. I don't know. Can you please share this broadcast at least to 4 groups? I'm begging those watching me. Share the program at least to 4 groups.
Yes, I put his link. I put his link there. Try and follow him on Facebook, I beg. And now, in case you don't know him, this man who you see here, he did for this struggle before most of us, now few. This guy, you see him, he look like a baby. He was there with Mazen Nnamdi Kanu when they were together with Wazirike. He was there with Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and Wazirike. He left Wazirike for the same reason Mazen Nnamdi Kanu left Wazirike, lying and the deceit. And he started with Mazen Nnamdi Kanu when he found out that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is truthful. So he has been there from beginning. He knows many things. And all this wickedness of the wicked, he is going to be exposing them now. And for your information, they are trying to kill him. He is now on the run. Whenever you see him making video, he's making the video from a hideout. So I beg you, the only way you can help him, go to his Facebook and then follow him. This is his Facebook. I'm posting it again. I think I pinned it before. I post the Facebook link again. Go there and follow him. That's all you will do for him. And share his videos. He's doing a nice video. He's doing nice videos all the time. Thank you. Thank you. We move.
So, all these lies about Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the hidden agenda. Remember, there is a very strong statement in Mazen Paul Achebe that for a very long time they're supposed to draw a red line for Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and the family, meaning that they have been doing secret meeting. Do you remember when I told you people that what appeared to me is that if you do not do anything for the safety of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, they are going to kill Mazen Nnamdi Kanu for sure. And some people said I shouldn't say that they rejected that I'm this. Is the message coming out clearer before you? If you do not do anything, they are going to eliminate Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. That is the reason why all of them were felt ignorance. All this while, Ejiofor saying that they attack him, was engineered by Ejiofor just to cover up his tracks. The same way Wazirike tried to cover up his tracks when he said, before the kidnap of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, that time that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was missing, that we did not know that the Nigerian government had kidnapped him. Wazirike knew that So anybody who wants to fight with guns and bullets is permitted. At the time that Mazi was missing. And I said, this man is trying to cover up a track. In IPOB, I have been able to work as at the intelligence department. Most of this that was shouting M branch, don't know what M branch are. All of them, including all of them put together. I worked at intelligence department in IPOB. So you cannot beat me in terms of intelligence. No matter the game that you bring, I know it before you even expose it. Ask them. For you are evil. You people are evil. Now, I am not, but I will continue to say this for the whole world to hear me. I will continue to say this. Touch it every time. Now, if the barrister have accepted and confessed that the IPOB, led by the BO criminals, are working directly with the Nigerian government, with the security agencies, in fishing out criminals, as he told us. Who did they call criminals? The people agitating. Now, there was this video that Mazen Namdekano said that we will not drop gun. Simon asked him. I will post the video immediately after this program. Simon asked him, what can you do if the Nigerian government did not grant your request of a referendum? Are you going to leave the people in hitting Nigerian government hard in terms of war? And Mazi said, that for sure, we are not going to drop gun. We cannot drop gun. That was what Mazi Namdekano said. That if it is madness, that he will show the madness. Meaning, now, after the kidnap of Mazi Namdekano, those who are still possessing the guns are being called the criminals by a Jofa. And you claim that you are defending Mazi Namdekano. You claim that you are defending Mazi Namdekano. And you claim that freedom is guaranteed for the indigenous people, as you portray. But your open confession have nailed you to the cross all the things that the Biafran Prime Minister have been saying over the years. That you are the Judas in Iscariot. For you collaborated in the killing of your own son. When Mazi Namdekano was around, and all of us, we are you collaborated in killing of all the commanders. Now, your open confession that the IPOB is collaborating with the Nigerian security agencies. Should it be directly to you, Ejiofor, that why you came with the DSS at Anam that time was because of this collaboration, this your open confession. You came to show them road that this is real men, the Greek. And when they started, do you know when they started? When they started, they attacked the place. They attacked the place that Ejiofor came with the DSS. The same place Ejiofor, because that particular day, he brought some people. The people pardon me. At this point in time, I will not hide anything anymore. Because when life is in danger, when your life is in danger, you must come out to say everything that aside from that, immediately after the kidnap of Mazen Namdekan, you start seeing this Ejiofor with politicians campaigning in Biafra land. Something that he couldn't do when Mazen was around. He could not go with politicians to campaign. But immediately after the kidnap of Mazen, you see a barrister defending a freedom fighter, claiming that our leader, because when he speaks, he did not say my client. He speaks our leader. Our leader. Meaning that he is involved. Now, if you are involved, if Mazen Namdekan becomes your leader, you are not going to go with politicians. You cannot accept politicians because the stand of Mazen Namdekan is very clear. He is not into politics of the zoo. He is not into politics of the zoo. At this point, at this point, Abaribe, Senator Abaribe, are you aware that the barrister defending somebody that you stand shouting with are collaborating with the Nigerian security agencies? And if you are aware, you are equally evil. Senator Abaribe, you claim to be defending Biafra land. Mazen Namdekan, the person that you stand shortly, you can now see that the Southeast and the IPOB sold him. And I ask you, humbly ask you, are you aware that after the selling of Onyendu, that the IPOB, led by the criminals in the US, are now collaborating with the Nigerian security agencies? And if you are aware, what have you done? Because a freedom fighter, we recognize you and respect you because of your stand, Shorty Mazen Namdekan. Not because you are different from other politicians, but because of that stand. We respect you on that. Now is the time that all of you have to stand up to speak and deny what you know. Come out. If you are involved, say. If you are not involved, deny. Say that you are not involved if you are not. Because when Asari Dokubo made that particular statement, that they are working with Chinasamu, he called them repentant. Many of you, we are saying maybe Asari Dokubo is bluffing. When he come out to say again that they sent to him the papers of their they submitted in Finland, many of you come out to say, oh, Asari Dokubo is bluffing. Is it now coming out clear that the reason why they have been holding Onyendu, that they are not doing anything? The only thing now that they are doing is to sabotage Barrister Aloy Ejimakor. Sabotage Simon. Like the time that Onyendu called this very barrister. Onyendu informed you, please bring my doctors, two of them, inform them, bring the doctors to come and treat me. This barrister wants Yakupo. He never went to answer Onyendu. He never bring the doctors. Kanuta send the doctors. That's Onyendu order. This man now been away 4 days or days before the arrival of the doctors. Started shouting, oh, they want to kill Onyendu, they want to poison Onyendu, they want to do this. Ejiofor is number one evil man. Number one evil man. When this particular barrister came out to announce that he is suing Obinna Victor Uzagalo with the rebel woman, the criminal that stole 300,000 from this suing Simon and others, I knew that that was the complicit. I knew that that was the complicit of this evil man. All of you are here. But I want to give you people one advice. Mazen Namdekano gave you this advice. It is very difficult to defeat revolution. Anything that someone is doing willingly, it is very difficult to stop that. If you kidnap one person and kill that person, the spirit will leave the person and enter into the living. And that living becomes stubborn more than the person that you have killed. You cannot stop the revolution that is to come and that is coming and that have come. Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, someone informed me that you said to the Nigerian government never to release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu because of your complicity. Because if Mazen Nnamdi Kanu has to come out, he will expose you. That is the reason why you went, as at the time that God released you. You went on a meeting. I heard this after the court. All your masquerading. I am in the media. People give me information. As I am on social media. People give me information on daily basis. You came out. You went to the meeting after God granted Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. You were part of those that said, don't release him. If you release him now, that means there is problem. Can you connect this to the lies that this man is peddling with the name of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu? Because I am talking to intelligent people. That Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, look at Mazen, that will order arrest of Simon by the Nigerian government. Tell the Nigerian government, go and arrest Simon. Is that not a blatant lie? This is a blatant lie. Even though your book knows that you are lying. This your evil must never go unpunished. This particular evil and spiritual stand Ejiofor must never go unpunished. Do you remember what happened to Ifaja? Clement Anata, I see you. Francis Ayos, I see you. Do you remember what happened to Ifaja? Ifaja betrayed Biafra's struggle. Today in Biafra land, no family is naming his son after Ifaja. Nobody. Ifaja becomes a cursed name in Biafra land till today. If you know anybody bearing Ifaja in Biafra, come out to tell me that this person is bearing Ifaja. Till today, the name Ifaja remains a curse. I'm telling you this for you to know the situation that you have embarked on. The evil that you started today, very rare people will come out to say this thing that I'm saying. But we met you. Ask Kingsley Adebulem if I am lying, Kinsili Anyebunam is the commander of the Dragon Squad. The day that we were at Anam, Ejiofor came with DSS agents. Before the kidnap of Onyendu, he came with DSS agents and lied to us that these people are the people extorting information for Onyendu. So if those people are the people extorting information for Onyendu, why do you bring them there? You brought them. So you want them to also extort the information of every man in the Greek. And guess what? All of us, we are food. All of us, we are food. You are evil. And evil in life must never go unpunished. It doesn't matter if I am alive, if I'm dead, anywhere that I may be. I'm not the progenitor of Biafra. The spirit of Biafra is the progenitor. Simon and Mazen Namdekano are their willing tools that the spirit of Biafra is using. Because can you hear about the progenitor? Nah, I don't know about Igbo aka a na-asụ ya to avoid the able na mmadụ ejiri n'aka mmadụ iwe ka
Hey, this boy the funny, eh?
So God curse me today. God, Almighty God, please, I need your curse. Abaka Jama Igbo curse. You all know who pure Igbo. Okuliele in the morning, sitting at the born ye today. Abakaja. Ka hapụkwa iwu na mmadụ ejiri n'aka ya sụọ onwe ya ihe ebe. But we must continue. We must continue. Why am I holding this program? Why am I speaking this way? The spirit of Biafra have possessed me. And through me, the spirit of the people killed will continue to speak. If, on a normal note, okay, that means I'm correct. Progenitor is ancestors. Thank you. That means I'm correct.
Emmanuel ga-egbu mmadụ biko.
We must continue. We must continue. We must do everything humanly possible to defend our land. The people that you called lawyers are now working for the federal government. They are not even hiding it. They have come out to confess it openly. What can you do? What can you do? Now the green, white, green. No wonder. The time that Mazen Namdekano was sold, brought back to Nigeria. Mazen Namdekano that hated Nigeria with passion. Nigerian flag. They went and designed Mazen Namdekano with green, white, green. Hey! Ndị Igbo. Design Mazen Namdekano.
I beg, look the guy number, see number, eh? Look in number. If you can call him, try and call him. He's going through difficulties now. Yeah. He is going through, somebody said the background, he is outside. I don't even know. He they run for his life now. Both your for Nigeria agent to DOS, all of them together, they are after him now. Yes, he is running. Imagine somebody that is living well with his family. He have his own car, doing his business. He have his children, have his wife, living in his own apartment in Lagos. You know, if you will be able to live in at least in a flat, that they call them, if you have your flat, have car, have your business, you are doing well in Nigeria. He have all this. Because they want to kill him, he abandoned everything, both he go to every business, phone, everything, the phone, the way they use. Now say wrong, come out, somebody help and get food. He no get house to eat tonight, they had him. So call him, I beg you, if you get to help him. But above all, the one will not cost you anything to do. See in video, in Facebook, I believe, yes, his Facebook, no, they here. His Facebook link, I think I've shared it here before. Look at the Facebook link again. Try and I don't post them here, I pin them here. So try and follow him from the Facebook, I beg. Follow him from the Facebook, I beg you. I beg you. Just if you don't have money to give him, try and follow him. Yes, everything will be about money. If you don't get money, there is something you can do. Just the same thing in this struggle. If you don't get money, encourage the people who get to give. Support those where they do things, whatever they do, support them to be strong and courageous. Yes, if you get money, send them super chat. Or at least you can call his number and ask him how he is doing, and no ask him where he do, no go tell you. Because you know, even myself, I no go ask him because you no go tell me. So I beg, help him anyhow you know you can help him. Help him. Support him. Go to his YouTube channel, Truth TV. Go to his Facebook page. His Facebook page is Emmanuel Oremijus TV. I posted it here before. Go there, you will see it and follow him. I beg you, help him, help him, help him. I beg, do it for him. See his number there. You can call him as well.
Revolutionarist. Somebody that is carrying out revolution to bring Biafra.
Why did they conceive now?
You design him with green, white, green, and some people to him baffled are not even asking questions. Some of them, including Kanu Takanu, humbly and willingly posted it on his platform. Used it on his platform. Green, white, green. And when we ask question, why are you using green, white, green? They called us names. The conspiracy against Mazen Namdekan went deep, too deep. Too deep. But guess what? Guess what? Biafra must come. No matter what. Because Elohim said, Biafra is going to come in an unimaginable way. Viewers in On Step, please, I beg you to share this particular program. Angel Nwaba, please share this particular program. I'm calling those that did not share. Please share this particular program. Because once you share, please share this particular program. Because if you share, it will show it here that you have shared. Every lies, why they withdraw Mazi, is to use Mazi to stop IPO. That's why they withdraw Mazi from your view. They want to withdraw him so that they will lie against Mazi. They will say that the man said that you will stop sit at home. That's the reason they will drag Nazi from your.
That's his link. I'm posting his link again. I beg, try and follow him. That's the Facebook. He just follow him on the Facebook first. Now one by one. After we look for his YouTube, but his YouTube is True TV. But this is the Facebook page. Try and follow him. I beg, encourage him. Encourage him. He's going through a lot now. I beg.
Presence. So that they will say, like, that is Tony Montana is telling you people that only do ordered for the arrest of Simon Eber. Your wildest dream in life. Can you believe that? That's a cheap blackmail and that's a cheap lie. The same person who has said that only do ordered the arrest of Simon. The same person said that they have collaborated with the Nigerian security agencies to fish out the criminals. That means IPOB and Nigerian security agents are working hand in hand. Do you know what it calls partnership? When me and you is partnering in something, we are one. We have one agenda, one motive. So if Nigerian government have one agenda, one motive, with IPOB, led by the criminals, not IPOB, with the DOS. That means DOS is Nigerian government, and Nigerian government are the DOS.
Otua.
Evil have no place in what we do in life. And if we must survive as a people and as a race, you must be bold, just as I am. They thought that hey, business, more than a business. I cannot, without business, I cannot do. My children, hey, what are my children going to eat? If I leave my business, I have left it for you people. Because I am no longer in control of myself. The spirit of Biafra are in charge. At the end of this particular race, we will come out triumphant. For those of you who are still jittery about what is happening, hang on. Hang on. Biafra is coming. No matter what happens, even if it happens that today you hear that I'm dead, hang on. Biafra is coming. People must die. If they want to kill me, so be it. Hang on. Biafra is coming. What freedom takes in life? Freedom takes a lot. Freedom takes a lot. You must sacrifice your comfort zone. But all of you, I don't want to sacrifice my comfort zone. That is the reason why Ejiofor, the demon in Ejiofor is using your brain, pressing you, ping pong. Because I don't want to sacrifice my comfort zone. What about my business? What about this? The way to do not deal with pong. If we must survive as a race, if we must survive as a race, we must jettison the idea of my business first. My business first. Before me or before any other thing. If we continue to have that same mentality, for business, I hear this cry here, I hear America, we will be wiped out as a race because they capitalize on it. If you hear them saying, the only place that they hold you ransom is that Igbo man cannot leave his business. I want to tell you what happened when Eastern Security Network was launched. Insecurity Network was launched, a Yoruba man, when Mazen Namdekan announced it, and you see about 10,000 or more of people sitting, possessing numbers of square meters. A Yoruba man approved the video. He told me, see what I'm seeing. This man is mad though. He organized these people and they sat like this. No, nah. Igbo man cannot do this. These people are not Igbo. He's not using Igbo people. That Igbo man, how can Igbo man leave his business and enter bush to sit like this? Do you understand what I picked point that one day have capitalized on in using against us is business? If you want to react, they will tell you, oh, that your business, we are going to destroy it too. Have you seen an Hausa man? They threaten an Hausa man with business. If you say that Makara thing go, that you are going to destroy it, they will tell you go and destroy it. The next day, you can no longer use business as a tool. And you will be afraid, oh, those people are, if we talk now, they are going to do this. In Lagos, for instance, if a Yoruba man is fighting with Hausa man, the Yorubas are going to gang up against their own brother. Do you want to cause this thing here? You know how these people behave. They will go and bring their brothers now and fight. But if Igbo man is fighting with a Yoruba man, the Yorubas will come and beat that Igbo man to stupor. Simply because you cannot do anything rather than caring after your business. Because once you do anything, they are going to come, scatter your business, and the next day, you will go and beg them, this is my business. You people should not, for the sake of my business, this and that. Go and ask. When I came, during the time that cultism was running in Lagos, when I came, go to the Mushi and ask them, this name. When cultism was running in Lagos, I was doing business. When they come, give me money, this and that, they will destroy my market. If they destroy my market, I fight. Fighting not be here. All of them, they will be about 12. Gathered me, beating me. The next day, if I see one person, the fight will continue. I did it till they got tired. Anytime you went and called them, when they come and see that it's me, they will say, Oloni Brukuni, Omaja, Mife Wahala. They will run away. It got to a point that if Igbos, some of my fellow Igbos, they are threatened, they will come and call me. Immediately they will see me, they will say, this and that. They will explain to me what happened. Because they know that I'm mad. And one thing that I put for them, one day, they were about more than 30. They wanted to fight me. One give me blow. That one that give me blow, I held that one. The other ones was beating me. I held him. I was biting him. These ones were beating me. Small time. I did not know what happened among them. And they started fighting themselves. And they left me alone. I took seat. Okay. What is he fighting? Why am I emphasizing on this? If we keep on caring about our business, we don't want to. Our rails are going to be wiped out. But if you show madness, they will leave you. They will say, leave that ring, they are troublesome. In a community where there is no madman, everybody takes that community for a ride. In a community where there is no Oveke, everybody takes that community for a ride. But if you come in a community, you see people that are very important in community, but they are most commonized in community. Because when they are doing something, it is the mad people that will come. They will say, leave them alone. They're mad, everyone will behave. But if everyone is gentle, other communities will use their own mad people to disturb you people. And you people will say, I don't want trouble, I don't want trouble. They are mad. And I that stage of madness is where we are. And in Jofo, the spirit of Biafra have throw you out. I am now connecting the dots before the kidnap of Onyendu. This is few months before the kidnap of Onyendu that you did this. You came with DSS agents. In Ochocha, at others' place, as Commander Anyebunem, Kingsley Anyebunem, if I'm lying, which you said that these people are the people extorting information for you. Maybe the same information that they are extorting, you brought them to equally extort the information. No wonder the Nigerian government attacked at will. We have connected the dots. But guess what? Biafra people will never forget. We will never forget. We have written it down and can never ever forget. Long live the Republic of Biafra. Long live the Biafran government in exile. Long live Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Hang on! Freedom is assured and your release is assured. Long live Simon Eba, the Biafran Prime Minister. Long live Madam Azoka, the brave woman, men on skate. Long live all of you who want freedom and very sincere for freedom. At the end of this particular race, we will get to our destination, which is Biafra. Good morning.
Oh yeah. I beg, try and follow this our brother on Facebook. It's important you follow him. If you like what I just want to show a video, make you know him. Many of us don't know him, or many of us know him as well. But the thing we say, you know, they get as if they doing broadcast before, but now they don't pursue him, and all those things. This to tell you that even if you no talk, they go one by you. If you talk, they one by you. So what's the point? He have all their details. You know them like black and white. You know them inside, outside. So I beg, I am putting his Facebook name here, Facebook page name. Follow him. Follow him on Facebook. I beg you. You know, because I have up to 512 people now watching right now. If 500 of you will go and follow him from Facebook, that will be 500 people addition. And you will be getting follow him on Facebook and hit that bell notification icon as well. And I want you to know, as you see his number on the show, on the listen, you can call him. He is going through some difficulties now. So if you can call him, if you can help him financially, try call him. I beg, call him. If you can help him financially, call him. You know, tell me, make I do this one, why they do, but they do them for the sake of God, because I know what it means. You see where they see I'm saying a bush. You see him, he no get place. Before you see I'm saying they there for a house, he was okay. But these people is frustrating him now. They frustrated him out of his family, out of his house, out of his car. He was comfortable. Help him. Call him. Send him super chat. Call him. Give him money to help himself. He is on the run as I'm talking to you now. And the Kenguru Ago is laughing, is happy. Don't worry. Their own na spirit go pursue them. You better make man pursue than spirit. When spirit they pursue you, you don't go know where they come from. You don't go where you want wrong go. But man they pursue you, you go know where they wrong go. So my people, I go stop this program. The media is coming online now, live. So join us again. Try and follow this our brother. Thank you so much for being part of the program. And hook on again as we come on. And then